In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease text line spacing in Google Sheets. While Google Sheets doesn't let you directly change line spacing inside a regular cell the way a word processor does, there are effective ways to control how your text looks. We'll focus on two practical approaches: using manual line breaks inside a cell for quick, precise control, and using the drawing tool for true line spacing options when you need more formatting flexibility. First, let's talk about manual line breaks. This is perfect when you want to control exactly where a new line begins within a single cell. Like formatting an address or breaking a long sentence into readable chunks, double-click the cell to place your cursor exactly where you want the line to break. On Windows, press Ctrl+Enter or Alt+Enter to insert a line break. You can add as many breaks as you need, placing them wherever the text should wrap to a new line. After you add your breaks, adjust the row height so everything fits cleanly and is easy to read. This method doesn't truly change line spacing, but it does help you design how text appears, giving you very granular control over the layout in that specific cell. Now, if you are aiming for real line spacing options like single, 1.15, 1.5, double, or even a custom value, the drawing tool is the way to go. Go to the menu and select Insert. Then Drawing. In the pop-up window, click the text box icon and draw a text box. Type your text inside it, then highlight the text. On the toolbar in the drawing window, click the line and paragraph spacing icon. It looks like stacked lines with vertical arrows. Choose one of the preset options. Spacing options like single, 1.15, 1.5, double, or even a custom spacing to enter a specific value. When you are happy with the spacing, click Save and Close. The formatted text box appears on your sheet, and you can move and resize it as needed. This approach is ideal for headers, callouts, or blocks of text that need consistent, professional spacing. Keep in mind, it sits on top of the grid as a drawing, so treat it like a formatted element, rather than cell content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.